Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark, Fluid Screws and Views, back getting another video. Today, I'm bringing to you a new little device, little gadget for your vehicle, from another one of those Amazon Alexa products. It's from the Alexa Amazon family, what have you. But like I said, before we get started, you know how we do. Let's get all this business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll start doing some giveaways of some of the products that I review right here on the channel. Alright? Alright, when we get that 2,000 subscriber mark. Alright? Now we got all that business and politicking out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright? Like I said, you know, Amazon keeps coming out with all these new different products, what have you. It's like it seems like they have several different products coming out, you know, every year. And this one just caught my eye because I was like, all right, that looks nice. Now you can have Alexa in your house. You know, you might want to pause your Alexa devices because I'm probably gonna say it a few times in the video, so I don't want to trick all your devices off. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, you know, not only can you have Alexa in your house, you can have it in your vehicle as well. I think that's pretty cool. Like I said, I didn't, you know, when it first came out, it was from invitation only. You couldn't just come and buy it straight out from Amazon. You had to go ahead and, you know, hit for invitation. And I got it while I was still in the invitation time period. And now they finally bring it out to everybody, so everybody can get it. Because when I got it during the invitation period, it was like $24.99 or something like that, and now it's up to regular price of $49.99. Let me show you where you can get it from. Get it right here from Amazon. This is the air vent that comes with it. Let me go ahead and get the auto itself. Bam. There it is. The regular price is $49.95. $49.99. Alright. Alright. Now we get out of the way. This is what you get when you get it. You get the Echo Auto air vent mount. Let me take this out. Like I said, I've been using it testing it out for over a month, and I'm pretty happy with it. Clips on easy to your air vent in your vehicle. And this is where you hold your cord in there, but I'm going to show you that in a minute. See what you get in the box. You get a micro USB cable. It would have been nice if it had been USB-C, but you know, micro USB is fine. You know, it's fine. And let's see, you get the Echo Auto itself. As you can see, there's a little wear and tear on here because I've been using it, testing it out. So you get the Echo Auto device itself. See what else we got in the box. You get a 3.5mm audio jack. So if you have that in your car, you can go ahead and plug it in directly into the Echo Auto and then directly into your car radio. You know. And I also want to show you can plug it into some other things too. I'm going to show that in a minute. What else we get in the box? Also, and I think this was pretty cool. They it comes with a cigarette lighter plug, so you know you could. So if you don't have that many spaces left in your car, any USB ports in your vehicle, bam, take this, plug it in, and you're good to go. You know what I'm saying? So I think that was pretty cool. They include that in the box as well. And then in here you got the regular, you know, you got your regular books and all that. So we're gonna toss this to the side. All right. And here's where I say you could use the vent. So it goes. Let me turn it around, and I'll show you in a minute how you can tell that this is the little LED light that lets you know that you're connected and it's working. And it's like a magnet right here. As you see on here, it fits in that groove. Bam! It's not going nowhere. Not going nowhere. Let's check out the device itself. On here, you can have your buttons. If you don't want to just just yell out to her, Alexa, so and so, so and so. You can just press the button and then ask your question, wherever. And you see you have 8 microphones, 4 up top, 4 on the bottom. And then you have your mute button if you worry about privacy. You don't want Alexa listening to everything you got going on. You just go ahead and press this privacy button right there. Bam, you're good to go. And see on the side right here, that's where your micro USB slide is. I'm going to plug it in because I'm going to be using it in a minute. And this is where you got your 3.5mm jack. Now I'm not going to be able to show it to you in the vehicle, so I'm going to show it to you for how you could do it in your house, or you could take it on the go with you. Alright, you got the 3.5mm jack. I'm going to plug it in here, and then I'm going to put her back on the stand like we're in court. Nah, put it back on the stand. Bam. And remember I said the cord management, so you can have your power cord running one way, and then you can have your 3.5mm jack the other way. They both should fit because I've had them in there before. Bam. Alright, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to take them out right there. Now this is where it gets cool, because you can use it in the house as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this in. Because you see right here, I got my JBL JBL Charge 3 right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in the back of here so I can demonstrate how she works. And I'm going to go ahead, you know what? I forgot, I got the power source right here. Because you could use the JBL Charge as a power source. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and plug her in right there. And when I push the power button to the speaker, you'll see this glowing LED right here on the front. Here we go. You see that? Let me turn this light down again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn the light down so you can see the LEDs on the Echo Auto. Any minute now. Should be coming on. Let me do this. Unplug it. Get it back in here. Now you should be able to see. There you go. Now she's in, and she's connected to my cell phone. So okay, my cell phone is already connected. You know, you have to go in when you get it. You have to go into your Echo, your Amazon app, and go ahead and sync it to your phone and all that good stuff, all the directions and all that good stuff. And then once you get it all synced and everything, then you can go ahead and use it like we would have displayed now. All right. Now, just like you're at home, I'm turning the volume up. I'm going to ask you the question, Alexa, how far is it from the moon to the Earth?
The astronomical distances of the moon and Earth are 238,857 miles.
That's crazy. All right, let's see. Let's use a traffic one. Let's see. Alexa, what does the traffic look like between Atlanta and New York?
Could you say that again?
What is the commute between Atlanta and Macon, Georgia?
This might answer your question. In 2016, Georgia's average commute time was 28 minutes. Did that answer your question?
Kinda, sorta. Thank you.
You bet.
Too cool, too cool. Now, if you don't want it to hear what you got going on, bam, you got the red privacy. This is your privacy button, so you can be like Alexa, 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 and it won't pick up anything. Now, if you want to use the button, say, let's see, I'm gonna hit the button. What is the weather? Okay, hit the button. What is the weather for today?
Currently, in Jackson it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect partly sunny weather, with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 60 degrees.
Pretty cool. Now I'm going to answer the question, say, Alexa, where's the nearest Starbucks?
Here are a few nearby ones. 1. Starbucks, 9 miles away on Bill Gardner Parkway. 2. Starbucks, 16
Alexa,
miles away on Highway...
Cancel. Too cool, too cool. And like I say, like, if you wanted to ask what is your commute to work, just say, I'm going to bring the phone out and check this out. Alexa, navigate to work.
Getting directions to work.
Watch the phone. Bam. It pulls up Waze. Too cool, too cool.
Let's take I-75 north.
Alexa, cancel.
Continue straight for 12 minutes to Bill Gardner Parkway.
Okay, let's go ahead and cut that off. That's too cool, too cool. So basically, just almost pretty much the same functions that you have on your device, your Echo devices in your home. You have the same capabilities on the Echo Auto. Let me try something that I didn't try. I'm gonna try to cut off the light in the house. All right, in the studio. All right, Alexa, turn off office.
Okay.
Bam. Now you guys can't see that at home. I'm gonna turn a light off in here, and I'm gonna have her go ahead and turn the lights back on again. Alexa, turn on office.
Okay.
You see right there, the light came on in the studio. So basically, you know, before you get home, as a safety feature, if you want all your lights cut on before you get to the house, or you're on the way home from work, you could, you know, just tell her, say, hey, you know, Paul, let me mute that right there. You could say, hey, Alexa, turn on all lights, or turn on living room lights, or turn on floodlight to garage. You know, you can. It's many things you could tell it to do. So this comes in pretty handy. You know, hands free. You ain't got to worry about getting in trouble, getting a ticket for messing with your phone, whatever. Do everything with your Alexa. Now I must admit though it has sometimes it'll cut out when you're going through dead areas where you're not getting a real good signal, you know, with your cell phone, because it's using your data plan off your cell phone. So it's using data, it's using your phone as a Wi-Fi data. So basically, wherever, if you don't get a signal, if you're somewhere you don't get a signal on your cell phone, then she's not gonna get a signal. You know what I'm saying? So basically, it's taking the place of, you know, your regular assistant. If you have Android phone, Google Assistant, or or if you have Siri. So basically, it's doing them features for you instead of you using your phone in your car, but it's using your data from your phone to operate. All right. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. I know before a company called L.S.V or something like that had the cigarette lighter plug type one. I have that. I don't know where I put it because I meant to have it for the video, but this is way better, way better. Nice little gadget. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. You know, it still has some little kinks to work out here. Like I said, you know, dead zones are here and there. But like I said, it's a new gadget. New to the Alexa family, so it's pretty good little gadget here, pretty little product. And like I said, you can stick this in your air vent, where it open the air vent, and it'll look just like that while you're sticking in your air vent. And like I said, and if you don't have, if you know, you got a aux outlet where you can plug in the 3.5mm jack into your vehicle, you could use it for that. And or and also you can use the power cord that came with it to go ahead and plug into USB and cigarette lighter plug. You're good to go. You're good to go. So overall, I think this is a pretty decent accessory. You know, like I said, Amazon is constantly coming out with new stuff. So, hey, this was a pretty decent little pickup, you know. And so far, I'm impressed with it. And like I said, and this is the cool feature with it, where it's portable. You know, you can, like I said, if you have a speaker like this, like the JBL Flip, I keep saying JBL Flip, JBL Charge 3. You could carry it if you want to go out for a picnic somewhere or whatever. You're sitting in the park and you want to have Alexa with you. Bam, you got Alexa with you. You can tell it to play music or whatever. And I'm not going to play any music on it right now because I don't want to get any copyright strikes or whatever. So, but you know, just like you use your Alexas at home, you could use this one the same exact way. All right. It's pretty cool, and it's portable, so you can take it with you as long as you got it like a something like a power bank like this. You got a power bank like this, or if you have a Bluetooth speaker that has a power bank capabilities, you can use that as well. So yeah, pretty neat. All right, that's been my quick little review of the Amazon Echo Auto. So I'm gonna leave a links down in the description box to where you guys can get it from. And like I said, you get it on Amazon for $49.99. Also, if there's something out of here I left out, leave your questions down in the comment section, and I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. But that's been the review, and I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to check out the review. If you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, because when we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to be giving away some of the products that I review right here on the channel. So some of these products that you see me reviewing, I'm going to be giving them away once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark. Alright? Alright. I appreciate you guys taking the time to check out the video. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? Alright, the message for the day. Message for the day is, don't be a user. Don't be that person that's labeled as a user. Every time you come around, you want this, you want to borrow this, you want to use this, you want to use that. You know, if you're an adult, go out there and get your own. Stop using other people. You know what I'm saying? You don't be labeled as a user, alright? That's a message for the day. Don't be labeled as a user. You know, if you're an adult, be an adult and go out and get your own. You know what I'm saying? Don't be labeled as a user. Alright, this has been your boy Mark, Blue Screws and Views. And I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace.